going on the subway. The subway. 같이 가요.
You don't have camera?
아니요.
No?
같이 동대문에 가요? Yes. 건축. 건축. 갈 거예요. 하지 마. 하지 마. You hit me.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. You did. As we were strolling the streets, I felt people staring a little more than usual. I asked why people would stare at me, and she began to tell me maybe why.
Why? Where?
Oh no, what will she say to me?
No, you okay.
Why? Because I'm awake.
Korean go like this,
Yeah.
like this. Short pants.
And covered up top.
Yes. Of course.
I felt quite covered up as only my shoulders were showing, but started feeling a little more conscious. Sometimes I get worried about breaking social norms, but it's important to remember to take a breather and not to worry so much all the time. Dunkin' Donuts. 야, 빨래. 오.
Oh yes.
cream. It's not chocolate.
What? Mix like chocolate and cream and strawberry.
Oh wow. I'm gonna chocolate one.
Is this strawberry?
It's good.
Really good.
Neng?
Your friend is dead.
Yeah. You drained it. This is really good.
수영아 너 어디야? 거기로 와. 아까 오전에.
I'm gonna miss this when I go home. It's so good. Oh my god!
Why?
I don't want to be bit. You can't see. Oh, I can see.
야, 빨리 서. 하나씩 서. 돌 하나씩. 포즈 예쁘게 해봐. 포즈. 여기 봐, 여기. 서봐. 내 머리 좀 이렇게. 하나. 정말 아니야.
1, 2, 3. 와우.
근데 얼굴이 너무 가려워서 얼굴.
아 이제 테니스 시작한 지 6년 됐어.
Scared?
네, 그건 아니고.
You don't like the water?
카메라가 아무도 없거든.
6년에 살아?
We Oh, okay. Okay. Wait. Run.
You're mosquito.
기다. Let's run. 달리다. Who's fast? Me.
Oh wait.
하나.
No.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
As each summer passes, I think back to my summer here. Vlogging was my way of memorising the trip and to remind myself of the chance I took to travel there alone. I wanted to experience the world firsthand and see the possibility of what I wanted my life to become at that point. Oh, how life changes. But I will never forget this adventure.